So for this example, it says, suppose the following is a list of the manufacturer's suggested retail price of the top 10 selling SUVs for 2020. And of course, we could see here that we have a listing of these prices here. And there's 10 of them. It says determine if the data is skewed left, symmetrical, or skewed right. So let me just point out a couple of things. Skewed left, we can tell if data is tending to skew to the left or suggest that the data is skewing to the left when the mean of the data is less than the median. Now don't forget, all numerical data is graphically represented by a number line. So if the mean is further down to the left on the number line than the median, then the data is skewed to the left. When the mean is greater than the median, or in other words, it's going further down the number line to the right, then our data is skewed right. When the mean and the median are essentially the same or approximately the same, then it's not skewing in either direction. That means we could say that the data looks like it's tending to be symmetrical. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to determine the median for this data, and we'll do that by putting it in numerical order, and we'll put it in ascending order. That just seems natural. So we have 33,720. And of course, we start with our smallest data value and just go up. Now don't forget, the median is a positional value. We have 10 values here. So to find the position, it's going to be 10 plus 1. Don't forget, it's n plus 1 divided by 2. N is the size of the data set. 10 plus 1 divided by 2, that's 11 divided by 2. That's 5.5. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5, or in other words, between the 5th and 6th data value. To determine what that is, we add those two together and divide by 2, and that comes out to be 37,390. So the median for this set of data, $37,390. The mean, of course, is we go ahead and we add all the values up and divide them by how many there are. And I already did that, and that comes out to be $42,388. So since the mean value seems to be significantly larger than the median value, that would suggest that this is skewed right. This data set is skewed to the right. The mean is further to the right than the median, so skewed right. Now, when data is skewed, whether it's skewed to the right or skewed to the left, the measure of central tendency that best describes skewed data is the median. If this data was symmetrical, then we would use the mean to describe it. And there you go.